There's something about the perfect balance of daily driven race car that you get from an Evo 10, FP Red, and E85. I recently had a chance to meet up with a longtime subscriber. I think you'll find this story and this car inspirational. Alright guys, so there's supposed to be a buddy here with an Evo. We're at a place called the Blue Parrot. We're here in North Carolina in Mooresville. Sorry the camera can't focus in. If you noticed, it's raining. So we're gonna keep our eyes peeled for an Evo. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey man, what's up?
Oh, where you at?
So, I think it says something about taps. This is probably not I probably turned before I should have. Let's see. I think I know where you are. Let's see.
Hey, there he is.
There you are. So we'll just wait for the rain to die out.
Yeah, man. Once the rain chills out a little bit, I can jump out. Alright, so,
yeah.
Now, is it Gene or John?
You got it right.
Okay. Cool, man. So tell us about your Evo.
Yeah, so I mean, I've always been an Evo fan. I've loved cars, you know, my whole life, and I basically always had different cars, you know, like DSMs and different cars, and I want an Evo 10. I was always in love. Whenever I saw a white Evo 10, I just said I have to have one. So I basically saved up and, you know, worked really hard, and eventually one day just made a jump and did it. So far this car is just like full bolt-ons, FP Red Turbo, E85, the corn juice. Yeah, nice. There's actually an E85 station like 10 minutes from here.
Really?
So that's the place to be.
Oh shit, E85 on an FP Red?
Yeah,
it's gotta be snappy.
The pretty awesome thing is a complete stock drivetrain, complete stock engine, transmission. It's making over 500.
Really?
Yeah. So.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it's fun. It's fun. I mean, that's why I got the car. You know, I'm playing kind of I wouldn't say a dangerous game. I think this car can handle it. So
yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it's had it for a while and no problem so far.
Now, where did you have this one built and tuned?
So different places, lots of different places. It's a long story, but I mean, I actually went all the way to Florida because of your videos. Actually, all the way. I went to RevWorks and I had some stuff done. I had a
nice
turbo upgrade before the Red. And actually, I went stock turbo first, and I did like full bolt-on stock turbo, got tuned, and then 2 weeks later, I said I need more. So I went back and I got a turbo upgrade. Wow! And then I went back, and I mean, it was a good experience, but then I wanted an FP Red as well, and I just did that over here as well. So
that's cool.
It's been a long journey, but
nice,
just for fun. Yeah.
Car's really nice.
Yeah, it's I'm totally unprepared because this is like a last minute thing. Like, dude, you're over here, let's do this. You know,
right?
It's like,
That's cool, man. I really appreciate you coming out.
Absolutely.
How long have you been watching the YouTube channel?
I've been watching Boostaholics for probably like 4 or 5 years. Probably more, actually. Yeah. Yeah, it's been a long time, man.
Thank you.
For sure. That's why I was driving, I was like, all these years, and it's just happening just like that, just like sudden. So that was pretty awesome.
Cool. So do you know this area very well?
I mean, I work in Mooresville, so yeah, around this area, but not specifically this, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. So.
Yeah, I'd like to find us a nice, like, safe little area.
Yeah, absolutely, we'll do that.
Okay.
The car is 100% ready. There's a couple things, like you might hear some vibrations and stuff, because it's not, this was literally just, I got some stuff I gotta fix, but for the most part, it's good.
Oh, nice.
So, yeah, it's kind of sudden, so.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, man, let's go check some places out and see what we can do.
It's crisp. Wow. I smell the corn too. That is nice.
It's good, man. It's healthy.
Oh my god, dude, this car shits and gets. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh man, this is awesome.
I had traction control coming in on that one.
Really?
Yeah.
Just spinning on it?
I just turned it off.
You You want to launch it?
You want me to?
Yeah, fucking give it.